Ito na ba ang pinakasulit na scrambler sa market? Tara, alamin natin. Honda CL500 4-stroke, liquid cooled, double overhead cam, 4 valves, parallel twin, 471cc, 67 by 66.8mm ang kanyang bore and stroke, 10.7:1 ang kanyang compression ratio, with a maximum power of 33.8 kilowatts at 8,500 RPM and maximum torque of 43.3 Newton meters at 6,000 RPM. (110 by 80 by 19 ang kanyang front tire, 150 by 70 by 17 sa likod, at parehas na silang tubeless. Equipped with double channel ABS, assisted sleeper clutch, LED lights, and digital panel. Itong motor na to ay may dalawang kulay, matte laurel green metallic at matte gunpowder black metallic. 1,484mm ang kanyang wheelbase, 2,175mm sa kanyang length, 831mm sa width, at 1,134mm sa height. 790mm sa seat height, 155mm sa ground clearance. Ang kanyang timbang ay 190 kg. 12.2 liters ang kanyang tank capacity na merong fuel consumption na 12.1 kilometers per liter. Ibig sabihin, sa kanyang full tank, kaya natin mag-travel up to 147.62 kilometers. At sa price niya na about 409,000 pesos, anong tingin nyo sa motor na to? Again, this is JZ Vlogs. See you sa next video!